Alright, you can probably see this guy, but not this guy. It's pretty dark. Sorry for the lighting. But there was another one of these right here, and it snapped. Now, how do you think that happened? I replaced this, as you guys know, the motor stator. Why did I replace the motor stator? Because this axle broke. I think I solved the riddle. All that movement is not good. So I'm not 100% sure, but I don't know if you guys can see, there's a washer that's kind of gold yellow looking. I think this washer should have been installed on the inside of the swing arm, not on the outside, because the other one is. I'm no mechanic though, so I wasn't trying to question the guy that helped me with this, so I just let it go. I have noticed a weird squeaking noise that I didn't notice before the new motor. So I'm guessing I'm going to have to remove the wheel and put this washer on the inside and, I don't know, prevent this wheel from wobbling and vibrating at high speeds and stop this whole section from moving when I brake and throttle forward. That's no good.